Hi guys, welcome back to Saute at Site. So today we will be making the classic red sauce pasta, and I'll also be showing you all how to prepare the pasta sauce from scratch. So let's get started. So to prepare the red sauce pasta, first we'll be boiling the pasta. We'll take a vessel and add in water. Add a generous amount of water because you'll be boiling the pasta in it. I've taken 2 cups of shell pasta. For this recipe you can use any kind of shapes, like if you have the fusilli or you have the macaroni available at home, you can use that as well. I'll be using the shell and I'll be adding it into the water. I'll add in some oil so that the pasta doesn't stick together. Some salt. Give it a nice stir and let this boil until it's 3/4 done. Keep stirring in between to ensure that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. You can see the pasta is already changing its color. We need to cook this until it is 3/4 done. So the pasta is turning white, so you know it's getting cooked. But as I said before, I don't want to cook it completely. So I will now check the pasta. Just run in a knife, and when it doesn't cut in easily, so you know it's 3/4 done, but it's a little bit hard and a little bit of softness, so somewhere in between, not completely cooked. And it's time to drain off the excess water, so I'll remove it in a strainer and drain off the excess water. So I drained off the excess water and ran it through cold water so that you know it doesn't become mushy. And now I'll set this aside. Now it's time to make the pasta sauce. So I'll be using the same vessel. I'll add in a generous amount of oil. You can use olive oil also for better flavor. I've chopped 2 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized onion and capsicum, and I'll be using this for my pasta. You can be really creative with the vegetables. You can add corn, you can add any mushrooms or anything as per your choice. You can also, in non-veg, you can add chicken or any kind of meat and sausages. So you can be really, as I said previously, you can be really creative with the choice of toppings you want in your pasta. I'll add in the garlic to the pan. Also, it's time to add the onions. I'll saute the onions and garlic. Continue frying the garlic and onions until it's nice golden brown. The onions have turned nice golden brown. Time to add 2.5 tablespoons ketchup and 2.5 tablespoons tomato paste. If you don't have tomato paste, you can use 2 tomatoes and you can blanch them in water and grind them into a fine paste and add it to this. Mix this really well. I'll add a stock of 1 Maggi cube. You can, if you're using vegetarian, you can use a veg Maggi cube. If you're making a non-vegetarian one, you can use a chicken Maggi cube. I'll be adding half teaspoon oregano and half teaspoon chili flakes for spiciness. Mix this all really well. So if you don't have the store-bought pasta sauce, this is your to-go red sauce pasta just made at home. Nice and lovely. I'll add in a bit of water, maybe 1/4 cup of water. And let this cook on a medium-low flame for a couple of minutes. It's been a couple of minutes. It's time to add in the capsicum. At this point, you can add any of your veggies or any kind of sausages or chicken meat. I've sliced the sausages. I'll be adding this to the pasta. Mix it really well. I'll add in water. Stir this well. So as you can see, the sauce is still thick. Add in some salt for taste and the boiled pasta. Mix this well. I'll let this cook on a very low heat for about 6 to 7 minutes until the pasta is completely done. So guys, it's almost 6 to 7 minutes. Pasta looks really amazing. It's time to remove it off heat and plate it. You can add grated cheese, mozzarella cheese, parmesan or cheddar cheese as per your choice. So I hope you'll enjoy watching the video guys. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. You can also follow us on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter and show us your love. We'll see you next time guys.